Hello, dear traders. My name is Oleg Prishepo. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. Our total profitability is plus 219%. For this week, we earned plus 1.3%, and our profitability for March is 5.77%. It looks good. Let's check the MetaTrader platform and see how we were making the trades during the current week. Our first currency pair, as usual, is GBP to USD, 1 hour time frame. I highlighted this week with a gray rectangle. So you can see that we have a local uptrend, and that's why we're mostly selling against the impulses. We had two trades open from the previous week. And if you remember, we're speaking about opening another trade after retesting the previous local highs, and actually we did it. And from this point, we averaged our bunch of trades on Monday. And after we closed all the positions with profit on the correction on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, we formed a new local high. We broke this level and we sold from it. And then on Thursday, we also showed a new high and sold from this level and closed our deal with profit. Then on Friday, on the reversal movement, we were buying and average our trade. So now we're actually in the upper part of this trend. So we have the probability that we're gonna go down and we'll be buying to average our trade, or we can try to actually grow from these levels and retest the previous highs, because on a global time frames, as you can see, we are very close to this corridor that we had in January, and actually it's the main resistance point of for this movement. So let's see how it goes. I think that we have all chances to retest it and to make like more selling trades the next week. But first we need to close our buying trades. So let's see how it goes on Monday. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar. We had one trade from the previous week, and then after we formed a new local high and broke it on Monday, we averaged the trade, and then when we retested the previous high, you can see we had this point uh, on December. But still, market remembers all the like historical lows and highs, so that's why we actually sold from this level, and we closed this position the same day with profit. Now we have no open trades in the market, so let's see how it goes. If we'll break the local highs, we'll be looking for selling positions. If we're gonna fall down to retest the previous lows, we'll be buying. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollars. No trade so far. We didn't break any sufficient level, like no like resistance, no support was broken. So that's why we were not trading inside of this corridor, this consolidation. If the market breaks the current support levels, we'll be buying. If it goes up and successfully retests the previous highs, we'll be selling. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. As you can see, we have an uptrend here, local uptrend. And first part of the week, we were closing the trades from the previous week, and then we're buying against this impulse. Totally during 2 days, market fell for over than 1,700 pips. Actually, it gave us an opportunity to build two nets of orders with two algorithms. We closed all deals with profit, and then on the reversal movement, we were selling and also closed our trades with profit on Friday. And also on Friday, we opened one buying trade and currently waiting for the market to like show us the direction. If we'll be falling, we're gonna average the trade, and we'll be waiting for the correction from the previous support levels. If not, we'll close this trade with profit and we'll be looking for new selling opportunities after retesting the previous local highs. And the last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. You can see that situation is pretty similar. We have an uptrend The volatility here was slightly bigger than the one we saw on NZD to Canadian dollar. We also had several trades from the previous week. We closed them on Monday and on Tuesday, and then we retested the previous high on Wednesday. We sold from it. Then we had another retest. We also like sold from this level and closed both trades with profit. And currently we have one open buying trade in the market with first algorithm and one open trade with the second. So you can see there are like two trades here. So we have actually two options. First is to retest the previous local lows and we'll be averaging our trades, expecting the correction, or if we'll start growth from the like from these levels, we'll be expecting to close our buying trades closer to the local highs, and we'll be selling after the retest of the local highs. This is it. Congratulations to everybody with the successful trading week. Let's see how this month will end on the next week. I wish everybody successful next successful trading week and see you next Saturday.